Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to this channel. Okay, check out this wash and go short beautiful hairstyles. These are fuse free styling hairstyles everyone need to watch. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Just watch this video to the end and let me know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys. See you at the end of the video. Today's hairstyle, I want to talk about the twirl hairstyle. Twirl is a short natural hairstyle with hair length of maximum 2 inches. It's a style you wear after a big chop resulted, usually after heat damage, or as a transition from relaxed to natural hair. Another name for twirl is teeny weeny afro. It should never be boring or embarrassing. In fact, it can be very cute, creative, and flattering. Please never think you can't do much to the hair this short. We have very nice ideas for you today in Wendy style. So when considering a big chop, your major concern is probably, I don't know how to style my teeny weeny afro, but today I'm showing you guys that it's not that difficult to style teeny weeny afro. Anybody can succeed with the following easy steps on how you can style your teeny weeny afro. So that's why in this video I'm bringing you guys ways on how you can style your teeny weeny afro. You'll be seeing different ladies, different women styling their teeny weeny afros by themselves. We have the coil definition for 4C hair. All you have to do is just wash your hair. If you're starting like the beginners, just wash your hair, apply a leave-in conditioner, and seal with coconut oil. I always prefer coconut oil because it's a natural oil that helps the hair to look shiny and always keep it moisturized. So if your hair is dry, when you begin styling it, just dapping it by spraying it with water, then carefully brush, starting with your coils, like start brushing from your ends. You can air dry or leave your hair to dry on its own, or you use the blow dry, to help your hair to dry on a low setting. We also have the finger coils with the brush for, we have the 4A and the 4B hair. So use any kind of coil enhancer, use any kind of cream or even gel suitable for your hair, but I always recommend the Eco professional styling gel. Apply it to your freshly washed, conditioned and sealed hair, with an oil of your choice. So brush your hair in circular motion sections by section until your coils begin to define. Because that's how I always achieve my own coils. Then the other simple wash and go is you wash your hair, apply a leave-in conditioning cream and rub it through your coils. Define a couple of coils, twisting hair here and there with your fingers. So you can just make a short side part if you wish, with a comb if you wish, or you use your pin to keep the hair down on either side. But if you're not the one that love the pinning down of the hair or giving yourself a side part, you can just do it like if you notice, for my intros and outros, I don't do side parts on the rest. You can also have the slick back half up, just applying the baby foam moisturizing wrapping lotion to the front of your hair, and you slick it back with a boa bristle brush. So you can also pin to keep the coils in place, like working on your edges with the toothbrush for the perfect sleekness. So for those that want that long top sleek side, just try the teeny weeny afro take, like on the popular unisex long top short side style. Just brush the top up and slick the sides down with your professional eco gel, achieving the trailing contrast of your length and texture. So I appreciate everyone. Just watch through the video and learn some tips on how to define your coils on your own. God bless you guys.
Front of my melody, you are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Always, always. You are all that matters. Always, always. You are all that matters. Always, always. You are all that matters. What would I live for if I don't have you in my life? What would I gain if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. want you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters.